Hi everyone, we're here today with Lynn from Cavy Central. We're going to be talking about two rescue guinea pigs.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Chantal. Let's take a look at a couple of young ladies. And we'll start with this one here. She's coming to rescue, and just take a little look, if you will, at how gorgeous she is, because this little lady has got a very unique hairstyle. She's actually a long-coated guinea pig. But you'd never know it. She has this fantastic hairstyle, as you can see. It's buffeted exactly where they want it to be, but it's been done, of course, by other guinea pigs. So we call that barbering, and that's what's happened. So they've literally decided to take the coat off her in different areas. See how neatly they're almost chewed round in a whole line. And yeah, to give her this groovy little cut. So barbering is something that happens with guinea pigs. They actually don't know why it takes place, but from what we understand, and these girls all have access to lots and lots of hay, and she's had long coats in there for a while, but for some reason they are grooming back her coat, and it's a little group of 5 of them in a very big area, and yeah, so isn't she cute? So yeah, long hair or not, this is what is happening to her. So barbering is a really fascinating area. They often say, and as just mentioned, it can be related to the lack of fibre in their diet, but in this case we know that's not the case. Perhaps they're bunching up together for some reason, and this is entertainment. Perhaps they genuinely really want a different hairstyle. They want to make her look differently. So yeah, her hair is no longer at the ground, and it's actually one of the things about guinea pigs that can infuriate people if you've got a little herd and you really take pride in the appearance of your guinea pigs, only to find suddenly one morning they've got a unique hairstyle. So they do this to each other, and of course it doesn't mean we separate them or break up friendships at all, but we look closely at what's going on, and of course I think she thinks she looks gorgeous. What do you reckon? What do you think?
I've got a question. Do they ever pluck it out of the ends, or
No,
just
they actually, you can almost
just
see,
trim
look at
it?
this. Just zoom in there, and you can see they've actually gone choo, like a sheer chewing mark straight across. Can you see that?
Professional hair cutters.
Professional haircutters, almost even on both sides. Look at that. If we look down from above, we'll put you over here, sweetheart. Look how even that is. Nice and even. And this is a girl who has a coat to the ground normally. So they have really gone to town. They've got a nice little quiff or boof on here at the back. And she's not complaining. She's perfectly fine. So, yeah, it does happen. And that's what we know about barbering. They certainly don't seem to complain about it when other guinea pigs are nibbling on their coat. Often we don't see it, but in instances where we have seen it, they don't seem to be moving away at all. But you can see it's really quite neatly done. Yes, you've got a new hairstyle, sweetheart.
She's so cute.
Hope she likes it, yeah. Oh my goodness. And we're just going to give her some ivermectin at the moment. Ivermectin is a fantastic medication. It's an all-purpose use. I'm going to get enough here for 2, which I need. But if you go to see your vet, ivermectin is a really fantastic medication to give just for any parasite involvement. One thing you need to be aware of is that we give it... it's really yucky. Little fish won't like it. Look. Good girl. Good girl. So they really don't like ivermectin, but it is a drug that we can give to stop parasitic involvement. It's inexpensive. Revolution is the other one, and Revolution is fantastic because it actually eradicates pests or parasites within 24 hours, where ivermectin, it actually needs to be redone again in 7 days in order to stop the egg cycle. So just to be aware of that. But it is a drug that we use a lot here in rescue. Just going to talk about that once again, if I can. This is her buddy, and her buddy, if we look at her coat, she has had a little bit of barbering take place, but not to the same degree. You can see in through here, there's been a little bit happen, and a little bit happen over here. But overall, she's they're not barbering her as much in this little herd, but they're really two gorgeous little girls. So again, we're going to treat them with some ivermectin. Ivermectin is a medication that is supplied by your vet, or you can in some locations purchase it, but it is one that is quite effective for parasitic involvement, and we use it a lot here at the shelter. They really hate the taste of it. The other medication we use is Revolution, and Revolution is quite expensive by comparison. That's the problem with it. But there are times when we need to use Revolution over and above ivermectin. In severe mite-mange cases, we always use Revolution because it will kill any parasitic involvement within 24 hours, and it kills the egg cycle as well. Whereas ivermectin, we have to actually treat that several times in order to catch that egg cycle and make sure that I know it's yucky, but there's a little bit more to have. Here we go. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. I really don't like the taste of it at all.
It's like kids having cough syrup.
You have it there, but you can topically put it on. So ivermectin you can actually put directly onto their skin as well, and it will work quite effectively. There are different grades of ivermectin, so it's really important that you know which one you have, so that you in fact don't overdose or do it in the right way. If you have a blue coloured ivermectin, that is a cattle drench ivermectin, and it's designed for cattle. But the clear one is actually the sheep drench, the equivalent of the sheep drench, and that's the one that we use for piggies. So, yeah, thank you. Something else about ivermectin is that it is light sensitive. So if you don't keep it in a light, fast location or inside a cupboard safely away, it becomes ineffective. So it's really important that you know this is a light effective medication. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be lots of more information coming your way soon. Bye for now.